In this video, I want to talk about some people who are absolutely killing it with designing and selling t-shirts on Merch by Amazon. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Caroline and I make videos to help you master your mindset and make money online so that you can build a life you love. If you do enjoy watching videos like this, please take a moment to subscribe. It is free, it takes 2 seconds, and it means the absolute world to me. And don't forget to click the bell so that you do get notified when I upload new videos just like this. I know that I primarily make videos all about self-publishing, in particular low content books on Amazon KDP, but my intention when I started this YouTube channel was to talk about all different kinds of online businesses and helping people find the right business model for them, because there are just so many different ones out there to choose from. So that's why I am changing things up a little bit for this video and am going to talk about making money with the print-on-demand business model, selling t-shirts through Merch by Amazon. I did a video quite a few months ago now on how to get accepted quickly into Merch by Amazon because I applied myself and was accepted within a couple of weeks. So I will link that video at the top of the screen and in the description if you're interested in checking that one out after you watch this video. If you are unsure what I'm talking about, Merch by Amazon is a program that Amazon have where you create designs for t-shirts, some other products as well, but mainly t-shirts, and they become available for sale in the Amazon marketplace on a print-on-demand basis. So Amazon will only print and ship your product once you have made a sale. It's basically the same as publishing books with KDP, except it is with t-shirts and a few extra other products that you can put print-on-demand designs on, like phone cases or pop sockets. And the difference between Merch by Amazon and self-publishing with Amazon KDP is Merch by Amazon runs on a tier program. So you are only allowed to upload a certain amount of designs on a certain amount of products until you reach a certain amount of sales. Once you reach the amount of sales that you need to move up to the next level, you get what people like to call tiered up, and then you can upload more products, more designs. When you get up to the next tier, you're then allowed to upload even more designs and even more products, and so on and so on. I personally really like this method of tiers. It can be frustrating, especially at the beginning when you're trying to move through the tiers, and sometimes it can take a while, but I do like it because it helps weed out those people who would just go in and upload thousands upon thousands of bad designs that will never ever sell. Pretty much if your designs don't sell, you do not get to upload more. I don't spend a whole lot of time on Merch by Amazon myself because my current focus is on self-publishing with KDP, but I am still trying to work my way through the tiers, and I do like to spend a little bit of time on it each month. But I personally find other people and their successes really inspiring and motivating. And so I wanted to bring to your attention some people who are seeing some amazing results with Merch by Amazon. So if you're just interested in finding out whether you can make money with Merch by Amazon, or if you're like me and you get lit up by other people's success, then this is the video for you. Let's take a look at 5 people who are making bank with selling t-shirts on Merch by Amazon. Okay, so first up we have Ebony Fuller's shop. So Ebony Fuller is a single mum whose YouTube channel I came across a few months ago. Her channel is quite small, so go give her some love and subscribe to her channel. She talks about her income very regularly, as well as her wins and successes that she has. I will link her channel in the description below. In fact, I'll link everybody's channel that I'm going to talk about, so you can go check them out if you're interested in seeing what they are all about. Her videos, they are mostly just sharing her sales. They are all screen recording type videos, and she also sells on other platforms like Etsy and eBay too, but the bulk of her videos and the bulk of her income is from Merch by Amazon. She did a video, this one down here. I'm not going to open and play the videos just in case they will not be happy about me doing that. But like I say, if you're interested in seeing the full video about their income reports and things like that, check out the links in the description below. But she did a video sharing her royalties for June 2021, so just last month, and her royalties, her income was nearly $34,000. So that's royalties, that's how much she took home. That is not the sales, that is how much she got paid from Merch by Amazon. Her merch account is currently at tier 6,000. So I'm currently at tier 25. I can upload 25 designs. She's sitting at 6,000, so she can have up to 6,000 designs on her account. That's just totally insane. And she works a day job still. So everything she does with Merch by Amazon and all the other platforms that she's on is done around her day job. And I also think she does some self-publishing on KDP too. It's all done before and after work. So a really great example of just giving up the excuses of why you can't do something, using having a job or kids or other commitments as an excuse to not have the time to start an online business is so common. One I used myself in the past, and there are so many examples out there of people like Ebony who are just making it work. Okay, next up is another girl doing Amazon, doing Merch by Amazon, and doing awesome with her online business. Sorry to the guys out there watching, but I always like to shout out the girls doing really well first. Hella Bella is the name of this YouTube channel. She also has multiple streams of income like reselling on eBay and Amazon FBA, but most of the time usually just reports her income from Merch by Amazon. Her latest income report, which I looked at yesterday, was not this one. This is a newly uploaded video, so that's awesome, showing that she made $70,000 from Merch by Amazon alone. But the last video I saw yesterday talking about her income was her monthly income from May 2021, just a couple months ago, and she shares that she received over $5,500 that month from Merch. And actually, just going back to this newly uploaded one that I haven't watched yet, that figure might be something to do with the first half of 2021, possibly, because she has a video earlier down here where she shares that in 2020 she actually made over $120,000 for the year. So I am going to go watch this one once I finish recording this video, but I have a feeling that may be the first half of 2021, but I'll go check it out, and you guys should all go check it out too. I believe she is sitting at tier 10,000 at the moment, so she is quite far into her merch journey. She has been working at it for a couple of years. Okay, next up we have RJ Martinez. RJ Martinez is a player in both Merch by Amazon and self-publishing with KDP, and he does very well with both. The last income report that he posted on his YouTube channel here was in April 2021, so just a couple of months ago. Let me just find it. This one here, April 2021, and he made almost $7,500 in that 1 month. Now, RJ is one of those people who is right up in the tier stratosphere. His account is on tier 200,000. So the amount of designs and products he is able to upload is just crazy. But his YouTube channel is a wealth of knowledge for both Merch by Amazon and publishing with KDP. So if you aren't already a subscriber of his, go take a look at his channel, check out his videos, and you are bound to learn something from him. So the next YouTube channel I'm looking at is Ryan Hogue Passive Income, and he is someone who is also up on the level of RJ Martinez. Ryan also has multiple streams of income: Merch by Amazon, Amazon FBA, Amazon KDP. I think he has more than that as well. And that's something you'll see with a lot of people who are successful or who are making big incomes, is that they diversify and they build up multiple streams of income. It's not really the best idea to rely on just one thing to bring in all of your income in case something happens to it, especially when your business is reliant on selling on someone else's platform like Amazon. And the reason that these people start multiple businesses and do well at them all is because usually the skills that you have that made one income stream successful can be transferred over to the others. So if you do well with Merch by Amazon, then a lot of times the designs you create for t-shirts can also be put onto books, onto notebooks or journals. If you do well at running ads on Amazon and you can sell products through your ads, selling products through Merch and KDP, then usually you'll be able to use those skills to pick products that sell well through Amazon FBA as well. You can also take your products to other platforms like Etsy and eBay to build up even more streams of income. So hopefully you can see that it can be quite easy, and I say easy quite loosely, but it can be quite easy to build up these extra streams of income once you have started doing well in one of them. Anyway, back to Ryan and his merch income. Ryan does videos every month talking about his income, his overall income, and it includes all of his income streams, not just Merch by Amazon. So in June this year, just last month, he made almost $5,000 in royalties from his merch income stream. Ryan is also on tier 200,000, and he has so many videos on his YouTube channel talking about merch and how you do it, along with other businesses that he's involved in. I know that I have watched quite a few videos on his girlfriend's YouTube channel as well, and she is a few months into her Merch by Amazon journey, and he is obviously mentoring her and teaching her and showing her how he does it. She obviously gets all the inside information, but her Merch by Amazon account has grown fairly quickly, I would say, as well, following his methods and the way that he does Merch by Amazon. I can't remember her channel name, I am sorry, but I'm sure if you search for Ryan Hogue, or if you maybe watch some of his videos, I'm sure he mentions in his videos about her channel as well every now and then. But if you haven't seen his channel before, be sure to go check it out. Now, the last one I'm going to talk about today is someone called Mr. Addie. Now, Mr. Addie is actually very new to me. His YouTube channel popped up in my feed just the other week, but I was intrigued. I had a look at his videos and I was pretty impressed. The video that came up in my feed was a recent one, this one here, of where he goes over making over $7,400 in one day. Yes, one day. It was thanks to a very popular holiday, or an event more than a holiday, so I'm not going to say that's a typical day's income for him, but it is still extremely impressive. And if you want to go and take a look through his YouTube channel, again, the link is in the description below, along with everyone else's YouTube channel's links. But he has some really great videos on his channel about his methods and how he goes about creating those sorts of incomes, those sorts of days. I know for some people these kind of figures can seem, I don't know, fake or made up, or even just overwhelming and unreachable, but you have to remember that these people all started where you are. Every one of them started as beginners, and in the case of Merch by Amazon, they all started at tier 10, just like everybody else. They have built up to this kind of success over 1, 2, 3 years, or maybe even more. I personally love seeing big numbers like this because it just shows me what's possible if I have goals like this too. And 2-3 years might seem like a really long time, and it might seem like you would never get there. But if you knew that you could make this kind of money in 2 or 3 years, would you put the effort in for those few years to be able to reach these kind of income goals? Personally, I would. I'm happy to work at something for a couple of years or 3 or 4 years to reach goals like this. Now, your goals might not be as big as that. You might not want to be making 5 or 6 figures per month, and that is totally fine. But the thing is that the things that these guys all teach on their YouTube channels can still apply and help you reach your goals, no matter what they are, no matter how big or how small they are. I hope you found this video and the people that we looked at today inspiring, and it motivates you to apply to join Merch by Amazon if you haven't already, or if you have joined Merch by Amazon and perhaps aren't really spending time on it or just aren't seeing success with it. I hope you have some new ways to possibly learn some new things about how to get moving in your Merch by Amazon business. If you did like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and to make sure that you don't miss out on any more videos that I make, don't forget to subscribe.